in Sue's kitchen. Today we're making Chuck's birthday cheesecake. And I already have the crust done. It's very easy to do. But I want you to know what all went into this. Let me get the knife off the floor. I'll throw this in the sink. Today is Friday, 5 to 5. I had to get off a little early so that I can make this cheesecake before I go see Tessa at Mom's and then go out to Dublin to Gloria's candle party. And what else? Oh, I had to get the ingredients first. You know, that's very important for this. And so I did that at my 10 a.m. break this morning. Went to Safeway and got everything I needed to make this. So check back with me in just a minute. I need to mix some stuff up now. Bye. Hi, I just put 2 eggs in. This is really quite easy to make, this cheesecake. It's actually, I guess, a Hollywood cheesecake. It's very easy if you have the time, which I don't. So we're going to speed along here, and I'll check back with you. Okay, I have the mixer out, but I can't find the beaters. So I'll just plug it in and hope that I find them pretty soon, because it's kind of important. And I think they may be down here somewhere. Or, I don't know, maybe Tessa put them somewhere else. I'll get back to you when I find them. Okay, this really isn't funny. I can't find them. The oven is preheated, which is good. I don't know where. They're probably in here somewhere. Aha! Okay, we're in business. And it's good to have an organized kitchen like Sue's kitchen. So we're just going to put these in here and mix up our ingredients. Eggs, whoops, vanilla, oh, sugar we need. Okay, get the sugar out. Okay, I'm back. We had a little video problem, and so, you know, I had to stop and take time to fix that up. But our oven's still preheated, so that's good. Okay, it's best to have your cream cheese. You can see here, the cream cheese at room temperature. It's much better that way. Plus, it's getting hot in this kitchen because it's pretty warm out today. So that goes in with the eggs. Throw this away. What else? Where's my recipe? Here it is. Vanilla. I guess that goes in now. I guess so. Okay, so we put a little vanilla in. Choop. Choop. Okay, and vanilla. We need sugar. I forgot about the sugar again. 3/4 cup sugar. CNH. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. And that goes in. Maybe a little spatula. Okay. And now it's time to mix. Let's see if I have everything. Alright. Whoa, okay. I guess you'll just have to look from back here. Okay. And you mix this until it's well blended. Very important. Okay, it's very well blended now. Perfect. Unplug this for safety reasons. Okay, and as you can see, it's perfectly, well blended. And we just pour it in the crust. Just in case you're wondering, I did my training, a spatula. I did my training in Castro Valley under the instruction of Dolores Spatz. Wonderful instructor. In fact, this recipe comes from her. I think you'll be very pleased with it. Okay, voila. It goes in the oven for 20 minutes. Set our timer, and then we'll start making the topping. Voila. And I'm still on time. Whoops. Okay. Okay, it's baking. And I always like to have a tidy kitchen, so I think I'll just clean up a bit here. I don't know how it got this messy, but I think that's what I'll do. I decided to clean up a little later, so I'm going to make the topping now. Very easy. You just need sour cream, 1 cup. I always like to make a little bit more than 1 cup, because that's the best part, is that topping. So I give it a full cup. You can too. And sugar. I put the sugar away. That's just me. I'm tidy. So I have to get it out again. If I just wasn't so tidy, things would be easier. And sugar, 3 tablespoons. And you know, I kept going up here for you to see my ingredients. I just realized there's a zoom on here. So we can just zoom right in. Yeah. Okay. Sugar. 1, 2, 3, and just a little bit more. And vanilla. Hi. Some vanilla. Stir that up, and that makes the toppings. I guess I'll zoom out again. Oops. Or maybe I'll just shut it off altogether. Okay, now we just stir this up very good. And we wait for the main part to be done. And this will be ready to go on top, and then we cook it in an additional 10 minutes. Do you see the little tattoo I got today? It's right there. You see that? Everyone in Steno was giving them out, you know, the paste on kind. It was kind of fun. Okay. Now I'm going to really clean up the kitchen. Talk to you later. Okay, it's ready to come out of the oven. And it's perfect. You can tell if it jiggles too much, you want to cook it a little longer, but ours is just perfect. Alright, we're going to let it cool 10 minutes before we put the topping on. And then it goes back in the oven. Okay, it's ready to put the topping on. Whoa, we have a lot of topping, but that's good. And this will bake now for 10 minutes. Oh, it's hot, I have to remember. Here's the sour cream topping, and that will bake for 10 more minutes. Okay, you see here at Sue's Kitchen we don't cheat and then pull out one that's already done. We're actually baking this, so I'm sure you appreciate that a lot more. Okay, that's it. We turn the oven off. Check to make sure the top is set well enough. And it is. It's perfect. Perfect. Now, the only thing left to do is add a topping. You can leave it plain if you wish, or you can put cherries, is very popular, or any type of fruit actually. The birthday person, Chuck, decided he wanted cherries, so that's what we're going to do for him today. Spectacular, wouldn't you say? Now I picked these cherries and made my own sauce for the topping. If you're running short of time, you could just go to the store and get a can, I just happen to have one here, of the pie filling cherries, and that's perfectly okay. Don't feel bad if you don't have the time like I do to make it more special by actually picking the cherries yourself and making the sauce. Either way is acceptable. Alright, we're done for today. Tomorrow we'll put the topping on and we'll be ready to celebrate the birthday. So thanks for joining me today on Sue's Kitchen. Oh, hi. Welcome back to KQED Channel 9. We're on a break right now, and we're taking donations because we are public supported. So we have my coworker right here answering your phone calls. Would you like to take this call? Well, she needs her little cookie right now, so but be sure to phone in. Are you answering that? Oh, good. How many dollars donation is it? 150. Great. Good job. Oh, we're on a roll now. We're ready to put the topping on the cheesecake. Does that look good, miss? Yeah? And then we'll be on our way to the birthday party. Very easy to do. The final touches. Let's see if she would like a little taste of this. You want a taste?
No.
No. Maybe she just wants to wait for the actual dessert time. Join us next week on Channel 9, Sue's Kitchen. Until then, bon appetit or vkusna.